Hello everybody, today in front of me I have this Oppo Reno 7 Lite smartphone, and in this video we would like to show how you can download and install the Opera browser on it. First of all, you want to open up the Google Play Store application. Here at the search bar, just type in Opera just like so. Once the needed app is found, just click on this install button and wait for the app to get downloaded and installed. As you will see now, it will not take a lot of time, so we'll simply wait. Alrighty, now we can just go ahead and open it. Here, while launching the browser for the first time, we are going to set up some of the, first launch stuff. So once this bar gets loaded, we'll just tap on this blue continue button. Next, we can choose whether we want some of the features and options this application has to offer to be enabled from the start, or skip and leave them for later. Me personally, I'll enable ad blocking, enable tracker blocking, and skip setting Opera as my default browser step. Next, you gotta either customize the permissions that you allow the Opera, or just allow everything that it needs. Here, just press on done, and from now on, you can just go ahead and start using the Opera browser. Alrighty, so that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye-bye.